we start this video, happy Thanksgiving to all those folks out there. And don't forget to smash that like button. And thank you for all the subscribers. And thank you for joining us on our journey. And see you guys in the next clip. Peace.
They can't get us from June until like we know you.
I haven't done it yet.
They only put up.
I'm just in fitness. I just went to.
How crazy it is. A lot of kids. Number one fan. Who's that hiding? It's okay, Sandy. You're welcome to show your face. Okay, I'm not gonna show the rest of the food because everybody's having the same food around the world, so not a biggie. Yeah.
Okay, so
Beauty.
today we join the nation in celebrating Thanksgiving. They declared November 28th as a holiday for Thanksgiving, giving thanks and sacrifice for the blessing God has done for them for the harvest and the year advance. Thanksgiving reminds us
Apa sa review? Mau aku si seri.
not just Thanksgiving Day, but every day in your life. Give thanks for God's protection. You give thanks to God for your parents, your sisters. You give thanks for your family and your friends. And today we also give thanks for the food we're gonna eat. So remember that. Ja. Family. Hier our Chuukese. And also, what's his name? Rabion? Or
Diaz.
oh, Diaz. Yeah, we're happy that you here with us. Joining us in celebrating Thanksgiving. Yes, vamos a Cristo. Very fácil por ti, muy feliz.
Let's zoom in a little bit. Ooh. It's all over the internet now.
Oh shoot, I'm sorry.
Mashed potato?
Corn?
That's our adults. No, it's just one rice and chicken and
Horse won't
ham.
Horse won't get you over.
That's what I said.
You want turkey?
Pick up in the same. Pozole.
Next time. No pork next time. Say thank you for your discomfort. Come on, dude.
We can go at it right now. Here,
Hey, don't finish the white rice.
Did you take all the shrimp from them?
Yeah.
Success! This is not a success, guys!
Wait.
Wow, I like this color. Wow. That's gonna be the color. This is the opposite. Yes, boy. I'm colorblind.
This guy, anything to say?
Happy Thanksgiving and thank you guys for watching my cousin's YouTube channel and subscribing.
You got something to say?
Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you all for subscribing to this channel. It means a lot. So, thank you all.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Morrison, and right now we are playing volleyball. And give my camera back. Thank you for all those subscribers, and hope you guys had happy Thanksgiving. Comment down what you guys ate. And
see your forehead.
Oh, it's turkey.
actually,
Do you want me to record you?
actually, no,
Do you want me to record you?
no, I got you. I got it. So
What?
yeah,
Look at this.
see you guys in a little bit.
You know, these guys have merch. You guys have merch?
I have merch on right now. Right here.
Oh,
Always be waiting, man.
Hey, nice.
what?
Hey, M3E squad up in here. They got the new merch. Link below. I think they got a link down there. But hey, they're gonna have those hats, shirts, pants, Nike gowns, pillows, cars. They even got stickers that say M3E. You can stick on your phone. Look, M3E. I got M3E right here too. Hey,
Yeah, they can stick it on their eyeballs too.
yeah, they can stick on eyeballs.
Black Friday sale.
Tomorrow's Black Friday. If they post it on Monday, yeah, last week was Black Friday. But anyways, we're back again with another video.
Woo! Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to smash that like button and tell all your friends, tell all your family to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for all those folks out there who subscribe to this channel. Thank you for our journey. We reached 1,000 something subscribers.
Happy Thanksgiving, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below.
What's your favorite thing to do on Thanksgiving?
Punch it, nugget.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to to say happy Thanksgiving to all your subscribers out there, and happy Thanksgiving
To all your.
all you guys. Oh my